Hey there, amazing parents. Have you ever wondered why your little one sneezes so much? Today, I'm uncovering the mystery behind those adorable baby sneezes. Let's dive right in. First off, sneezing is a natural reflex. Just like us adults, babies sneeze to clear their tiny nasal passages of irritants. Think dust, pet hair, or even just a change in air temperature. But here's the twist, babies' nasal passages are super tiny and sensitive. Even a small particle can set off a sneeze. So when your baby sneezes, it's their way of keeping their little noses clean and clear. Now you might be wondering, is it a cold? Usually baby sneezes are no cause for alarm. If there's no other symptom like a fever or cough, it's likely just their way of adjusting to the world. Remember, they're still getting used to breathing air instead of amniotic fluid. Here's a fun fact. Babies also sneeze to reopen their nasal passages after feeding. Sometimes a bit of milk can get up there and a sneeze clears it out. How cool is that? So what can you do to help? Keep your home environment clean and free from irritants. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, especially in winter when heating can dry things out. And most importantly, don't worry too much. Sneezing is completely normal for babies. There you have it, the mystery of baby sneezes revealed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more parenting tips. Thanks for watching and happy parenting.